Hate cold messaging or networking but still want to make affiliate sales? You can do it without ever talking to anyone. One way to make affiliate sales without talking to anyone is to let your funnel and emails do the work. Create a simple lead magnet, link it to your opt-in page, and set up an automated email sequence so your affiliate promotions run quietly in the background. The tricky part though, if you don't have a proven system, your emails may not convert or your list may go cold fast. That's where the AI Faceless List Builder comes in. With its faceless campaign creator bot and ready to use email templates, you get a system that pre sells, follows up, and keeps your affiliate sales running, all without ever having to network or chat with anyone. I've linked the AI Faceless List Builder in the description so you can take a closer look. You will also get 30 days of plug and play email templates and the faceless funnel foundations. Plus, it's all backed by a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. So if you're ready to make affiliate sales without awkward conversations, grab the AI Faceless List Builder today for less than $30. Check out the link in the description.